Take a look at this video. Watch and see how this lady will produce groundnut oil right in her house using this method. Just watch. So what she did was, first of all, she got groundnut, peeled the shells, and then take it to the grinding machine. After grinding it to this level, she brought it here. She add water. She will continuously add water and stirring it continuously until this water she's adding to it begins to turn to oil. Now watch. See it. The more you continue to stir it, the more oil it continues to give out. So this might be very difficult process for many people to do. So, but there are people who also do the same thing, but they use locally fabricated machines to do it. But look at it. You can see it is no longer water, it is now oil. So it looks like the groundnut will absorb the groundnut cake will absorb the water and then begin to turn into oil. Now look at this. This is a mechanized method. This machine is locally fabricated, and this lady here uses the same, it is the same procedure, the same method. Just grind the groundnut, pour it here, while this machine continues to turn and turn and turn. Instead of using hand or using stick to turn it, this machine does the turning itself, and before you know it, the water you added begins to turn into groundnut oil. Now watch and see the quantity of oil she will extract from this one. Just watch. That's a 30-liter container she was filling there. Now after the oil has been extracted, she take the remains to this to make kuli kuli, or I think that's what they call it, right? To make kuli kuli. After frying it, we use with the same oil. So this lady you see here currently supply oil to different people in the market who buy her products. But look at the amount of groundnut she blends for this business every time. Those are groundnuts she has grinded that she will put through this process to extract oil from them. And this is how she gets her groundnut from the local markets.